Welcome back to the DIY Nanny channel. This video is going to be a little bit different and perhaps even shorter. It's not a big DIY and it's not in the play kitchen. For Hanukkah, I got the kids Clue, the board game. We used to play Clue Junior and we really love it, and they wanted to upgrade, so we did. We've been playing with that for a bit now, a few weeks, and we're having a lot of fun, but there are a few stuff that I think we can make even better. First thing is the marking sheet, which is quite okay. We try to use both sides to make it efficient, and they do try to cover it and flip it when they are marking it. Sometimes they're not successful, and they peek at each other. Sometimes they even try on purpose when someone is marking to like look and get some knowledge. So that's one thing that I want to change. Another thing is the card. They are pretty big kids already, but they're still drop cards in the middle of the game sometimes. They're still sometimes will hold the cards like this that you can see everything. And then they get upset if someone saw the card that they're not supposed to see. So this is another thing I want to change. Also, we already kind of played a lot with it. So some cards have markings already. Miss Scarlet is flipped a little bit in the corner, and I don't remember what card, but it's like in the middle there's like a little bit of a tear as well. So they kind of know already the cards just from the back. So I'm trying to fix that as well. My first idea was to get a clipboard that can stand somehow, or make it stand with a DIY, and then you can clip your marking sheet, and when you mark, nobody can see it, and it's in front of you, and you don't drop it, you don't flip it by accident and somebody see. So that was my initial plan. I went through Amazon and I tried to find something that was affordable. I also wanted 6 pieces of it for the 6th character of the game. And eventually I went with something a bit different. I got these acrylic stands. They look a little foggy right now, but it's because they have this wrap that you're supposed to wrap. They are also can be used as a dry erase board. So I got some dry erase markers. I'm gonna link everything down below to match for each character. My plan is to just insert a table of all the character, and they can use the marker to mark it and then erase and use it again. I'm also planning to use, I'm thinking this bamboo stick on the bottom, glue it on both sides, and then the cards can stand inside, and then you don't drop them, and also nobody can see your cards from the back, which they already have some markings that they recognize. For decoration, I wanted to get the characters here in the back for each one, and I did cut out some vinyl already, but I measured this length to put it, and if you put it here, it goes over the opening here. So I'm thinking, I thought of cutting the legs or the head, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna recut it to the right size. And basically that's it. It's a simple hack, and I'm hoping I'll finish it very quickly.